Welcome to the project demonstration of H-bridge DC motor speed and direction control. In this project we are using push buttons, LCD display, step down transformer, PIC microcontroller and rectifier, 829-3D motor driver and DC motor. So we are providing the power supply through this power cable. It takes 230 volts of AC supply and it will be given to this step down transformer. Step down transformer will be step down the voltage up to 12 volts. The 12 volts of AC will be given to this rectifier. We know that rectifier will be convert AC to DC. That converted DC will be given to this voltage regulator. So this voltage regulator number is 7805, which takes 12 volts of DC and it gives 5 volts of DC. That 5 volts of DC will be given to this PIC microcontroller board. Then through PIC microcontroller board, LCD display, push buttons and 829-3D will get a 5 volts. And also we are providing a 5 volt or 12 volts power supply to this 829-3D motor driver through this rectifier circuit board. We will see the demonstration. So here we can see it is displaying the welcome to the project, and please here we can see PWM value also. Here we can see by default it will be a 150, and also here we can see forward, backward, for F for forward, B for backward and in for increment, D for decrement. We have mentioned here based on the direction we can increase or decrease the speed. And also here we can see the PWM means pulse width modulation. Based on the pulse width modulation, speed will be increased. Now first of all we have to choose forward direction, then we have to increase the speed. So if you want to increase the speed, just press it. So here we can see values are changing. Now here you can see it is started with the 260. So maximum PWM is 450, and here we can see the direction also. Direction is in forward. So if I want to change this motor direction with reverse with this same value, just have to press B, and here we can see motor direction is changed, and also here we can see the direction also backward and the values is same. So if you want to decrease this speed, so have to press D button. Here we can see the values are decreasing. Now slowly decrease this PWM, then motor will be get off. In this way this project will be works. Based on these switches, it will give a signals to this microcontroller board. Through microcontroller board, microcontroller will be process the signal. The signal will be given to this 829-3D. Then 829-3D drives the motor, and also the processed signal will be given to this LCD display. So this function is based on the PIC microcontroller board. Thanks for the watching.